we are using Odoo 17. So comparing to that, I think it's a lot of development. One of our customer suggested this Odoo to us. We are almost using all the applications, basically accounting, inventory, manufacturing.
Hello everyone, Suhasini here from Odoo India. So today we have one of our valued customer Technosport with us, Mr. Akhil, who is presenting here, and they will be sharing their Odoo journey with us today. So hi Mr. Akhil, how are you?
I'm fine.
So today is in the occasion of Community Days. They have joined us here today, and it is their second experience here in Odoo Community Days. So Mr. Akhil, how is your experience here in Odoo Community Days?
Experience is good. Actually, we have some small doubts. It's a good place or good venue to clear our doubts.
Okay.
Like there are so many booths are there, so many people around here to clear our doubts. Good sessions are going on.
Okay. Yeah, so that is good. So as you are visiting here for the second time, what difference you have faced?
Last time when we visited, they are explaining about Odoo 18. Now it's features of Odoo 19, and we are using Odoo 17. So comparing to that, I think it's a lot of development in Odoo 19.
Yes.
And we also looking forward to like upgrade to Odoo 19.
So great to know. Quickly let us know about your industry, your background.
We are into sportswear manufacturing.
Okay.
And around 2007 we started this company. So it's almost 2 decades.
Oh, that is great.
In this field. Yes. And we are like manufacturing of sportswear we are procuring yarn and everything is in-house from manufacturing of fabric, garments, everything.
So
yes, right.
Basically, what all Odoo applications you are using at the moment which helped you to scale up your business?
We are almost using all the applications, basically accounting, inventory, manufacturing, and now we also going to start using POS.
Oh, that is great. So you also have the stores along with the manufacturing?
Right now we have 20 stores and our target is 200 stores in a couple of years.
That is great to know. How did you came across the Odoo? Can you share a good little journey about that?
One of our customer suggested this Odoo to us.
Okay.
And we are using some different software in that we are lacking about reporting, inventory and manufacturing.
Okay.
Which is our most main concern.
Okay.
So after this Odoo, we are very simplified.
How you would like to rate Odoo from the scale of 1 to 10? 10 is the highest.
I can rate 8.5.
Okay, that is great to hear. So as you are using Odoo and today every year you join us here in the community days with the new version rollout. So any feedbacks or any suggestions you would like to give?
They should be given in a standard module.
Okay, okay.
That I already explained at the booth, like at every module booth. Like some compliances are there that should be there in standard module.
That is great. Actually, yes, every year as we are launching our new version, we take the feedbacks from the customers.
Yeah, that I've seen from last year to this year, there are so many improvements.
Yes, yes. And also you are in the 17th version, so maybe once you will upgrade to the latest version, it will you can see the difference.
Yes, it is there. It is there.
Yes, yes, that is great actually. And also, how is your experience here?
Yes, we attended some sessions and we attended at the booth. And everybody is like helping us to clear our doubt.
Yes, yes.
So that is a good experience.
That is great to know. So yes, thank you so much Mr. Akhil for joining us today, and hope we will be having a long-term journey with us. Thank you.